Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide and unhide chats in Telegram. So guys, let's continue into your Telegram. Now select the chats you want to hide. And after selecting, just tap on the three dots icon in the right side of corner. Tap on Achieve. So guys, you can see your all selected chats has been moved on Achieve. And also the chats are hidden from your chat box. Now if you want to unhide the chats, then click on Achieve. Then select the chats. Now tap on the three dots icon in the right side of corner. Tap on Unachieve. So guys, you can see that the achieved chats are back in your chat box. So now the chats are unhidden. So guys, that's it. That's how you can hide and unhide chats in Telegram very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.